Welcome back everyone. This is AK Chaudhary. My viewers, before starting today's class, I would like to ask you a question. And the question is, why do the people want to learn English? लोग क्यों सीखना चाहते हैं English? If you know the reasons, write in comment box. And let me know what do you think about this question. I think the very first reason is to get a good job. If you know English, trust me viewers, you can get a good job in any big company. The second one, to get prestige in societies. सोसाइटी में प्रेस्टीज पाने के लिए आपको इंग्लिश का नॉलेज होना ज़रूरी है. थर्ड वन, टू परस्यू हायर स्टडीज़. फोर्थ वन, to communicate well in different countries. And it is needless to say that it is an international language or it is a global language. My viewers, so you must start to speak this international language or global language. Today, first of all, I would like to call upon the stage Saina. Saina, come. So, Saina, on which topic are you going to speak today?
The Dowry system.
The dowry system. The dowry system is a great problem these days, and Saina is going to speak something about this problem. Okay, Saina, start.
Good morning to all of you. I am Saina. Respected sir and dear friends. Today I am going to speak about the dowry system. There are several evils in India's society. The dowry system is one of them. It is a great curse and challenge for poor masses. We demand cash and luxury items as dowry. Dowry spoils the pleasure of married life. Due to this, many innocent girls have to sacrifice their lives. The dowry system is not a new thing in our society. The history of dowry system is old, but those days bride's parents gave it happily for the pleasure of new couple. At that time, dowry is not demanded. In our society, a boy is sold according to his status. Dowry rates are fixed separately for the different status. The merit of the girl is not considered. Thus, money plays an important role in marriage today. There is an important evil in this system that if a girl brings less dowry, she is vexed. Sometimes she is burned too, and many girls commit suicide. She is murdered by the parents of the boys because they do not get as they desire. Although there is a strict law against dowry, it is not followed. The law against dowry is not strictly implemented by the government, so the people ignore the law and accept dowry. Thus, the dowry system is a great evil in our society. It is a great bull on the name of India society. We should follow the law against dowry. We should not accept it anything as dowry. That's all. Thanks.
A huge round of applause for Saina. I think Saina has joined this institute a few days ago. Am I right, Saina?
Yes, sir.
But Saina spoke very well about this great problem, dowry system, दहेज प्रथा. ये हिंदी में भी इस प्रॉब्लम को समझा सकते, कुछ बोल सकते हो हिंदी में डॉरी सिस्टम के बारे में, कुछ बोलिए तो.
ये इंडिया सोसाइटी में बहुत बड़ी बुराई है, उसमें से डॉरी सिस्टम एक है. हम लोग मांगते हैं डॉरी के रूप में, दहेज प्रथा के रूप में कैश और लग्जरी आइटम्स. ये बहुत बड़ी बुराई है. इसकी वजह से कई सारी निर्दोष लड़की को अपनी जान देनी पड़ती है. ये कोई नई चीज़ नहीं है हमारी सोसाइटी में. पहले भी ये होता था, लेकिन दुल्हन के पेरेंट्स जो होते थे वो अपनी मर्ज़ी से जो देना होता था देते थे. ये डिमांड नहीं किया जाता था, ये मांगा नहीं जाता था. आजकल हमारी सोसाइटी में लड़के को बेच दिया जाता है उनके स्टेटस के उस पर, और गर्ल्स का जो गुण होता है उसे समझा नहीं जाता है. इसमें एक ऐसी बुराई है, जो गर्ल कम डॉरी लेके जाती है उसे चिढ़ाया जाता है, उसे परेशान करते हैं, समटाइम तो उसे जला भी देते हैं, और बहुत सारी लड़कियां खुद ही सुसाइड कर लेती है. इसलिए इसे हम लोगों को फॉलो करना चाहिए और कोई भी चीज़ डॉरी के नाम पे नहीं लेनी चाहिए.
Wow, amazing, amazing. Great, Sana. Do continuously like this, okay? Go. Next one, I would like to call upon the stage Vartika. Vartika, come. सो वर्तिका, आप किस टॉपिक पे बोलने जा रहे हैं?
टेररिज्म।
टेररिज्म। ओके, टेररिज्म पर वर्तिका कुछ बोलेगी।
Hello everyone, I am Vartika and today I am going to speak about terrorism. Terrorism is a global problem. There are some people in this world who are very destructive. Their aim is to create fear and panic among the people to gain their interests. Such people are called terrorists. Terrorism is not confined only to a country, but it has spread all over the world. There are two kinds of terrorism: political terrorism and criminal terrorism. Political terrorism is very dangerous. Political terrorists are well organized and well trained. To arrest them is very difficult for the police. Such terrorists work under the guidance of some famous leaders. Their aim is to frighten the people and the government. The terrorism in Kashmir, Punjab and Assam is the political terrorism. There is a criminal terrorism which indulges in kidnapping in order to take hug money. Criminal terrorists are local. Their intention is not to kill the people. They terrorize the people in order to get money. Sometimes they kill the people to save his own life. Thus, terrorist activities in the world have destroyed the peace of the world. To remove terrorism is very essential for human lives. We should have the government in removing the terrorism. That's all. Thank you.
Clapping for Vartika. Vartika also spoke very well. Viewers in front of camera, if you speak something, it's not easy, but Vartika has done well. Okay. Third one, I'm going to call upon the stage Dilnasi. Okay, Dilnasi, come.
Good morning to all of you. I am Dhanasi and today I am gonna to say about the importance of newspaper. Dear friends, it goes without saying that it is the era of newspaper these days. It gives us up-to-date information about the world. It has become very essential for our lives. When we get up early in the morning, we wait for the newspaper. Without reading it, we feel as we have missed something very useful. Thus, dear friend, it is the most important in our lives. A newspaper is born to modern age. We live in the age of science. Science has made the people to the world like the members of the same family. We want to know everything which happens not only in our country but also in other countries of the world. A newspaper gives all kinds of news and view about the world. A newspaper is the most important source of advertisement and propaganda. Businessmen advertise through it, although advertisement is a big source to learn of the newspaper. It is a link between the government and the people. We can carry our voice to the government through it. A newspaper is a big source to learn. A newspaper is a means of knowledge and entertainment. It is very effective means of propaganda. It gives us latest news about our country and the other countries of the world. That's all. Thank you.
जोरदार तालियां एक बार दिलनसी के लिए। दिलनसी ने बताई इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश के बारे में। नेक्स्ट वन, आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन द स्टेज सालनी। ओके सालनी, कम फर्स्ट।
Good morning everyone, I am Salni and today I am gonna talk about my hobby. So let's start. A hobby means an object of personal interest apart from one's daily life of routine. We do not cultivate a hobby for profit. There are different kinds of hobby. Some people do gardening, some people collect pictures. Other hobbies are listening to music, dancing, singing, cooking, etc. A hobby is only for joy. It is not our main work. My favorite hobby is gardening. I like to spend some of my time in it. I have a small flower garden in front of my house. There are different kinds of flowers in this garden. I plant English flower during winter season. I keep my garden neat and clean. My garden is very useful. It delights me. I forget all my worries in it. This garden is sort of inseparable. like my garden and gardening very much. That's all. Thank you.
जोरदार तालियां एक बार सालने के लिए. Viewers, now last but not the least, may I call upon the stage Mahi. Okay, Mahi, come.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me an excellent opportunity to express my view on an important topic. Dear friends, I am Mahi and today I would throw some light on the topic unemployment. My dear friends, I know you all know that what is unemployment and what is the reason behind it, but please listen to me also carefully. So let's start it. Unemployment. Unemployment is a big problem in our country and this problem is becoming more and more serious day by day. The people have desire to work but they have nothing to do. This is a problem of unemployment. There is a proverb in English, and empty mind is a devil's worship, means खाली दिमाग शैतान का वास होता है. When one has nothing to do, he thinks of creating all sorts of mischief. There are many reasons of unemployment in our country, but I think the growing population of our country is the main reason of unemployment. Our present education system is also defective. At present, every man and woman wants a job in office. The post of offices are limited. It is not possible to get job for everybody. So, most of them remains unemployed. My dear friends, our land is limited. Our land is limited, but the population of our country is increasing by leaps and bounds. These are the main reasons of unemployment. The problem of unemployment should be solved at any cost. The population growth should be checked. For this, family planning should be made popular. The education system should be made productive. The government should give financial help to the unemployed to start some business. Thus, my dear friend, we can say that unemployment is a great problem in our country. The government is making every possible effort to solve this problem, but without public support, it is not possible. That's why I would just say we all should help the government to solve this problem. That's all. Thank you.
A huge round of applause for Mahi. Mahi has also discussed a great problem, unemployment. You